Hello, welcome to the Daily Message. Lately I've been giving some thought and reflection to one of the phrases in the Lord's Prayer. And that phrase is, "Give us this day our daily bread." And I've been thinking about what the meaning of our daily bread really is, and I've come to the conclusion that our daily bread is more than just food. Certainly it is food, but the daily bread that we receive from the Lord is certainly more than food. So I'm going to reflect this week on what our daily gifts, the daily gifts that we receive from God are, and what they mean for us. I often take for granted that when I'm hungry, I can go to my fridge and pick from several different things to eat. And if what I want is not in the fridge, I can run up to the store in 5 minutes and get what I want. And that if I want to spend an evening with friends or family, I can go out to dinner with them and share the gift of food. And so the gift of food is something for which I have come to feel a very deep gratitude. It truly is, literally, our daily bread. And I've come to see food as a sacrament that nourishes our body just as the Eucharist nourishes our soul and our spirit. But then my feelings of gratitude turn to thoughts of justice. And I ask myself, what can I do to see that everyone has the gift of daily bread, the gift that I so often take for granted? What can I do to see that all people have this most basic of God's gifts? What can I do so that others can feel the same way that I feel when I pray the words, "Give us this day our daily bread"? Thank you so much for watching, and have a great Monday.